I have just closed my mouth around something alive. And I want you to know, I felt every single moment of it. I am a plant. And I eat flesh. Before you run, hear me out. Because the real story of who I am is far stranger than anything you have ever been told. My name is Dionaea muscipula. But the world knows me as the Venus Flytrap. I was born in a place that should have killed me. The green swamps of North Carolina. A flat, waterlogged wasteland where the soil holds almost nothing. No nitrogen, no phosphorus, no nutrients that any normal plant needs to survive. Every green thing around me slowly starved and surrendered. I refused. Instead, I did something that had never been done before in the history of plants. I turned my own leaves into weapons. Look at me closely. What you think are my leaves are my hands. Each trap is 2 hinged lobes, lined inside with bright crimson, the color of temptation, the color of danger. I secrete a sweet nectar along my edges. A perfume so irresistible that flies, ants, beetles, they cannot help themselves. They land. They start to feed. And then they touch one of my trigger hairs. Touch one. Nothing happens. Touch a second. Within 20 seconds, I close. In less than 1/10 of a second, my trap shuts. I become the fastest moving plant on Earth. Do you know what it takes to move that fast? I build up electrical signals. Yes, electrical signals, just like your neurons. I charge myself like a living battery. And when the moment comes, I fire. And then I do something even more extraordinary. I wait. If the prey keeps struggling, proof it is alive, proof it is worth digesting, I seal myself completely. If it stops too soon, I know it was just a leaf. Just rain. Just a lie. And I open again. I am the only plant on Earth that counts. But for as long as humans have known me, they have called me a monster. Charles Darwin called me the most wonderful plant in the world. And then spent months trying to prove I was a freak of nature. Children squeeze my traps shut with pencils, with sticks, with their fingers, laughing as I waste energy snapping at nothing. A trap can only open and close a handful of times before it dies. Every prank costs me a piece of my life. They dig me out of my wild home and sell me in supermarkets, in plastic cups with no soil, no light, no bog water, and then wonder why I die in 3 weeks. Millions of people want to own me. Almost none of them know how to keep me alive. There are fewer than 35,000 of us left in the wild. We exist in a territory smaller than 75 miles. And every year that land shrinks more. Here is what no one tells you about me. I did not choose to be a hunter. The world gave me no choice. I live in a place where the earth gives nothing. So I learned to take it from the sky, from every careless wing that passed too close. I'm not a monster. I am what survival looks like when the ground itself has abandoned you. Every living thing you have ever seen, every plant, every creature, we are all just trying to find our nitrogen in whatever form this world offers it. Mine just happens to have wings. I want to tell you something. The next time you stand in front of me, in a garden center, in a zoo, behind a glass case, don't look at me with fascination for what I destroy. Look at me with respect for what I survived. I turned my greatest weakness into my greatest power. I grew teeth in a world that told me I had no right to exist. And I am still here. Still counting. Still hunting. Still waiting for the second touch.